name is Elizabeth Steffen and I am from Peoria, Illinois, and the name of my business is called Vanilla Sugar Face and Body. I am a non-medical spa-based business, and even though Dori's workshops tend to be a little bit more around medical spa-based businesses, I really found so much useful information to take back to my company and really grow it into the millions, because this is the millionaire circle. And if you want to be a part of the millionaire circle, anything is possible. It doesn't matter how small your business is. You can take the information that you learn in the Millionaire's Mastermind and implement it into your business throughout the next year or 3 months, however fast you want to work, and you can take your business and grow it exponentially. I can't recommend enough the importance of coming into live session trainings, because there's so much energy in the room and you learn from all the other people, and maybe what works for one person won't work for the next person. But when you're in that room and you're learning all these great ideas, you can just kind of pick and choose what you feel like is going to work inside of your business. And I can't wait to come back next year and keep growing my business and taking it into the multi-million dollars. And I'm a waxing business.